Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel ExcelVBA Expert. In today's video, we are going to learn how we can split the data into the multiple sheets, right? So in the last video, we learned how we can collate the data from the multiple sheet, and that was the manual approach I followed and I taught you. And apart from that, I had already created one more video in the Python how we can consolidate the data from the multiple sheets using the loop. Alright, that I had already created. You guys go and watch that video. In today's video I thought that I should make a video that how we can split the data into the multiple sheet. Let me show you the data first. If you guys will see the data here, I have this master data. Let me open it. I have a agent here, right? I want to split the data into the multiple sheets on the basis of each agent data should be in the different tab or in the different workbook, right? So you guys can see here in this folder I do have right now only one workbook, right? One more workbook I want wherein I should have a data agent wise, okay, into the several or into the various sheets, right? That is what actually we are going to achieve in today's video using pandas. All right, so let's start to do it. So in order to working with the excel, we must be away from the pandas, right? So let me import the pandas as pd. All right, and the second one more library we would be needing, because we will be splitting the data into the multiple sheets, right? We need to work more, okay, or more in the existing workbook, right? So for that, one more library we would need, which would be from openpyxl import writer, right? Writer, that's what. Okay, and now we need to read the file, right? So I have my data here, so let me copy this path here and let me paste it here. Okay, I am pasting it here on the bottom or top right side. So here I'm gonna read my data in df pd.readexcel. Okay, so from this what I have learned, my data name is Masterdata.xlsx, right? If I would, okay, let me run this first. All right, so I have imported my workbook here. You guys can see df. So if I would run my df, so you will be able to see that I do have a data which I had shown you in the excel file, right? That's what actually we have right now here. So what we need to do, we need to split the data on the basis of agent, right? So here we need to get the unique agent names, right? So in order to achieve that, we need to write one more line here, df agent dot unique. That's it. Okay, unique. Let me zoom it out little. All right, okay. So next what we need to do, we have, if I will run this, you will be able to see the unique agents, right? Okay, if I would run it, if I will show you, okay, in the agent variable, you will be able to see, here agent, right? This is the agent, this is the unique agent we do have right now, right? So we got our unique agents, okay, in the one variable. Now what we need to write, with pd.xl, okay, pd.xl writer, pd.xlwriter, and the new workbook, okay, by which name you want to create your new workbook. So my new workbook name should be master data, simple, agent wise data.xlx, right? in engine in engine, what we need to provide here, open pyxl, simple, as writer. Okay, as writer, simple. Next, we need to run a loop here. So in order to run a loop, we need to write like this. For x, x is the one variable we are just taking out here. Okay, for x, in where, in agent is our, in agent what we have a unique agent's name, right? So here we need to, now we need to filter out the data, right? In order to filter out the data, I am just storing my filtered data in df1. All right, so df, okay, this is the code, this is the very important code to filtering any value or any data in the excel using pandas, right? So agent wise data we need to filter, that's it. And x, in the x we have a agent's name, right, which will be running one by one, right? We have filter out the data. Next we need to export it into the Excel, right? Excel, in which in writer you need to write here writer is basically, you guys can see with pd.XlWriter which I have written here. So I just declared it, consider Agentwise data.xlsx as a writer, right? And the sheet name should be your x, it means your agent name, right? So after doing this, okay, the writer should get save and close, only save. Okay, now if I would run it, you guys can see right now, you guys can see I don't have any other workbook apart from master data, right? So I'm gonna run it. So let's see, this is a very simplest core, to split any data, okay, into the different workbook, into the different worksheet, right? So here let's run this. I have run. Okay, still it's running. Bottom right side you guys can see. All right, now done. Let's see, do we have? Yes, you guys can see agent wise data now we have. If I will open it, then you will be able to see the agent wise data now we have. You guys can see, right? The one problem is here, because we have an indexing, we don't want it at all, right? So let's remove it. Okay, I am deleting it, and let's go here. So here in indexing, in index, do false. Sorry, in index do false. Okay, now let's run it. Run entire code. Just wait. Data.xlsx here. Let's run it first. Master data, Agentwise, great. Now let's run it. Okay, it is running. Now it's done. Let's see. Agentwise data I am opening. We will be able to see here. You guys can see now we don't have any index number, right, in any column. So this is the very simplest way. We have Abhishek in the separate tab, okay, as we expected, right? So the target, okay, and the things that we wanted to achieve, and we achieved finally, right? So this is the simple code, guys, okay, you can use to split the data in the Python in a very very easy way. That is the simplest way to splitting the data in the Excel using pandas, I mean using Python. All right, so I would provide this code, okay, in the description box, guys. You guys can copy it and paste it in your editor, and you can use it. All right, so I hope guys you have liked this video. In the next video I will make the video again in a Python, okay, in order to enhance your skills, right? But the topic would be the different. All right, so here a topic I would tell you in that video itself. Okay, so thank you very much everyone for watching this video. Let's meet in the next video with a new topic. Bye bye, take care guys.